And we are live. Hello, everyone. As you can see today, we are a little bit in unusual setup. We have one microphone for us both, and you can barely see me, but that's fine because I'm not typing anything anyways. Oh, we already have one comment. Hi, Razor. Yeah, happy to hear you, see you, read you. I don't know anything, whatever. So yeah, today we are going to continue what we were doing the last time. Last time we learned how to add new particles, and now I think what do we want to do? I would again move to our ideal gas simulation. For that, we need to implement speed as a two-dimensional vector, I think.
All right, I wanted to start bouncing particles from each other.
Yeah, but you can bound them while they are flowing in parallel directions, right?
Yeah,
So
and I also want to have some sort of UI with some text inside the scene. So
today,
I'm not sure.
okay. Actually, we already have some comments. For example, Razor,
Directions as well.
yeah, has some idea about improving direction. It's some new formula. New speed is sine of fold speed multiplied by absolute of fold speed plus speed delta. Is our speed delta always positive? No, sometimes it's negative when we are decreasing speed, and it's positive when we are increasing speed. Maybe the
I mean, it's a noble quest to remove some of the variables, but maybe not.
but actually we have something similar, I believe, last time. But by the way, maybe we should launch the application just to show
Wrong button.
it will work too.
Okay.
What was it? Oh, now you're profiling things. Nice.
Okay. Stop. I don't want to do that.
I don't want to do.
Okay.
And you can hit space, I believe, to add new balls. Wow, they're fast. Hell, they're fast. And backspace to remove balls. Yay, flowing balls. Flying, flowing, jumping. And you don't even get any exceptions when you remove more balls than you have. Yeah, looks smooth.
Yeah. Actually, I'm impressed how fast it works. So
Yeah, that's why I preferred this time as to use your computer, not mine.
I'm also using another keyboard, so I'm less loud. I don't feel like I'm asserting enough dominance when I type.
Yeah, nice.
So yeah, okay.
Okay, so how would you start with a task of adding two-dimensional speed to particles?
Let's first add here a comment that maybe do something like new speed equals to sine old speed. Okay, that's wrong
Yeah.
button.
Again, we can show it like this.
Old speed plus delta.
Yeah, and I believe you should have absolute plus speed delta in brackets.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Ah, nice.
We will think about it later. Okay. Right.
So
how would I
speed.
go with speed? I would add a vector. I would say that my speed now is a vector.
Mhm.
Over
What is a vector?
velocity.
Is it just an array of two values?
I would like it to be accessible with .x and .y, so it would be like a class. I
Point,
guess.
like point. Yeah, it's actually a data class point or something like
Okay,
that.
tell me more.
So we have data classes, like in Python you have data classes. No, it's just data keyword
Okay.
without add. Yeah, that's
Data.
basically all. Data class velocity.
I would have it inside my gas particle, right?
I would say no, because
No.
it's independent, right? Anything can have its velocity. I don't know, maybe it's something game dev specific. In usual development, I would say that it's independent class because not
Yeah,
only
yeah.
gas particle can have velocity. Yeah, and it should be var x. I don't know what is it, double int.
Double.
I don't know. You forgot to add comma after first double.
Double
Double
stack.
stack, nice.
What is double stack?
I don't have any idea what is double stack.
It's something from this
Fr-
library.
from-
How do I
from the
know
library.
what is this?
Control B to navigate to it. And
Collection
okay,
of doubles.
it's collection of doubles. Actually, very interesting.
Contains iterator hash code equals peak push poop. Nice. It's actually a stack of doubles. How boring.
Why would you use it? You have like list. Why would you use stack?
I don't know. Don't ask me. Maybe you have some algorithm you want to port that uses stack, and that's why you use this.
Maybe. Wow, some obscure code here. Something about new speed vector, normalize all speed vector multiplied by something.
Yeah. Cool.
What is it?
Just the same as here, but in multiple directions.
Oh, nice.
So maybe we will.
Okay, now I think we should replace velocity in our gas particle. Oh, no. No, it has direction, which is int right now.
So I'll say velocity.
Wait.
Again,
is it velocity or speed? Because I forgot again.
V is for vector, S is for scalar.
I see. Okay.
Velocity needs to have. Velocity basically is direction.
Yeah, okay.
I wonder if we want to go this route here, or we want just to store like the components.
What do you mean?
I mean, what are we going to deal with? Is it going to be just speed, or okay? Yeah. Well,
we already have speed. It's color.
In Python, I would write something like this and say that I have a property that just returns the.
You can do basically the same here. It will be val speed.
Okay.
Then new line. Get. Brackets. No, circle ones equals.
Parentheses. No. What? Like this?
Yes.
Disgusting.
But you should remove comma here after y. Yeah. And it's math.sqrt.
This looks horrible. I'm missing something. Definitely.
Something is wrong.
Yeah. Maybe it's supposed to go like this. Why it's not stupid?
No. Yeah, of course, it should be in
yeah. Okay.
Curly braces. Let's try to remove this math.sqrt because I don't remember the exact syntax. Razor asks if velocity should be immutable. I don't know, because I don't know how do you do these things usually. Do you prefer to mutate it and change its x, x, and y?
I mean, there's argument for both of those. That you can say that velocity is immutable, and then you change something else with it, or you can say that we want to, for example, say that each contact with where is the type actually of this speed? Is it supposed to be double here?
Yeah.
Okay.
By the way, it's not math.sqrt, it's kotlin.math.sqrt.
Right.
From lowercase k.
Yeah. And here is probably like this. Or...
No, it should be this. How do you call this?
Caret.
Caret?
Yeah,
wow,
like this.
Interesting. What doesn't it like? Let's ask it.
Hey.
Property get to set. What? No, it's actually it's this, and it shouldn't be this way.
Mm, yeah,
Maybe
so
it has some faults. Any idea why doesn't it work?
this is
Okay, yeah. Let's try to replace it with x multiply x.
seriously.
Let's try. I'm not sure what the issue is. So yeah, it actually works. Oh, so it should be math power or something like that. I don't know. I don't know. It will be always lowercase.
Whatever. I'll just be happy with x times x. Okay.
Yeah.
Your language sucks.
It's not my language, and it's my lack of knowledge of standard library.
Okay.
Kotlin. Let's just Google Kotlin power.
Perfect.
Kotlin power.
Kotlin just power without math.
Oh, it's you know it's ex.pow to. Okay, it makes sense actually.
No.
It does.
No.
But it doesn't work, right?
Yeah.
I don't know why. Man, come on. Forget about it. Let's.
Okay, I will do the lazy way, and then
Yes.
we will figure it out maybe later.
And actually, it's good enough for our case.
Absolutely.
So yeah, okay, we have the speed.
Yeah. So now just let's assume that we still have this is a velocity of like empty thing, right?
If you have
My
well,
speed.
there is no such thing as empty velocity, right? It can be 0, 0, or I don't know.
No, here I will say that 0 my speed, right?
Oh, yeah, to preserve current behavior.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that should be it. I should use here my direction, this direction, that. Direction doesn't change. Yeah. Okay.
So now it should be immutable or what?
Yeah, that's what I think Razer was implying.
But wait, we were changing something.
We were changing speed when we run with the K press up and down. So here.
Oh, but now we can't modify speed this way, right?
Oops, no. How do I select all my speeds in this?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Even Visual Studio Code can do that.
I believe everything can do it. I just usually don't use it.
Commit to master. Yeah.
It was something like replace all references.
I want to find reference. So like have another cursor. What's going on? No.
Wait, another cursor is Control Alt Shift something. Click.
Control Alt Shift.
Click. Yeah.
Okay. If that's how you want to do it, then so be it.
It's not how we want to do it, but I still don't understand.
Velo speed. Velo Y. Right. Yeah.
Okay. I see. Wait, why do we change Velo Y?
Because we want to speed up or slow down. Right?
How is it being reflected on the actual location of circle or particle? I'm sorry.
Here it should say that I want to work with Velo Y.
Okay.
Velo speed times direction. Well, actually, in this case, it's the same, but
yeah, currently, because it was like refactoring.
Yeah, let's see how it works now. If it works. It compiles. No.
It doesn't work.
Too many callbacks to handle in this frame.
It's trying to do something.
I can add the balls. I can speed them up, and then I can slow down. I think it works actually.
Yeah, looks like that. I love this black with green
Yeah,
balls.
ugly.
Yeah, very ugly. Too ugly.
And
Do you remember
this,
how did we select the design system for the whole thing?
yeah,
It's
yeah,
now completely fucked up.
absolutely. Just as all the things should be. And
Yeah, but
yeah,
it works, more or less. What do you want
uh,
to do?
quit this.
Okay.
Vectors hard. Okay, I want to start with just direction like this. I need to double. I will need to have something here.
What do you
Nicer.
want to do? Explain me what you are doing because I don't actually understand. I understood this part where we introduced velocity and we had only vertical velocity.
So if I say like this, that
Well,
there's
okay,
velo, and then I remove
it
this
should.
one and say that in here I can say I want to have velocity. This would work, right?
Probably, but zero is wrong. It should be 0.0. No, it may be dot zero.
Terrible.
Yeah, and it's like all languages fault.
Yeah. I mean, even Fortran can recognize it like this.
A camel can't, and we know that a camel is the queen of all languages. I don't know why is it queen and not king. I have no
Because
idea.
that's a camel.
Yeah, it's French.
Ah,
Well, again, it's completely irrelevant and terrible.
is it still working? It's still working. I'm very surprised.
I'm not too surprised. I think actually we should make Velo a value now because we can change its content, not itself.
Okay. So that's, does it now be immutable?
Well,
No.
yes,
Okay.
yes. But X and Y
But
are mutable.
how would you call it if I say like this? Would that be
Yeah, now it's immutable.
super immutable?
It's completely mutable.
Completely immutable.
And like it's fine. It's not about immutability actually. It's about final versus non-final. And if you want to modify this thing while preserving immutability on data class, you can call.
Property velo could be private.
Well, that's fine. Yeah,
Okay.
that's true. You are free to make it private. Why did you type it? Does it feel you better?
Yes.
Okay.
Makes me.
Because you could just make it private, you know.
I don't want to make it private.
Because nobody uses it. It's literally internal.
Shut up.
Okay.
We want to make this into a more bizarre stuff.
Wait. Okay. What we want to now is to create a random horizontal velocity, right? And we should modify x coordinate to according to our current velocity.
Yeah, let's just start by just moving and bounds of sides. I just want to add them, yeah, like let's Windows
Bounds.
DVD bounds, right? Basically, but now it will be bouncing. Yeah, let's go with that. I want to add another direction somewhere here. Let's say that we want to start with something very silly and just add like 5 here. Naturally, this would not change anything because
it should not change anything because we don't use velocity x anywhere.
Yeah, but I was very concerned.
Okay, because it's Kotlin, you can never be sure, right?
Yeah,
it's a strongly typed language, so you still cannot be sure.
You can never be too sure.
Too sure. Okay.
Okay. I want to hear boundary updater. No. Input updater, boundary updater. Where is actually speed updater?
I don't know what is speed updater. By the way, you named it input handler, and it's no, it's called from uppercase, and it's correct. It's incorrect. Okay, it should. It's actually a boundary updater, I believe. Do you still rename things manually?
Yeah,
Why?
it's faster.
No, it is not. Shift F6 is much faster.
Okay, let's.
It's actually boundary updater. Speed updater, location updater, position updater. What is the difference between location and position? You didn't rename it.
Okay. It's amusing how annoying this is. Okay, so
Using how
here
is annoying, okay?
I would say that x plus equals velo x, and this is velo y right now. And the direction would be also vector. Like this, right? Yes, let's run
I
it.
don't understand what you're doing, but
It will move to the right. Yeah.
Oh, it's like window is blowing, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Now, if we introduce another balls, they would act normal.
Why?
Wait, I'm trying to quit everything because the keyboard is terrible. Buttons
We can
located
change
in
it
the
back.
wrong places.
Of course, of course.
I
Did
want
you hear
to...
that saying about bad dancer?
Yeah, keyboard dancer.
Yeah, bad keyboard dancer, definitely.
I'm still renaming things manually just to annoy you.
I don't even understand what you're doing, so please continue.
Max with...
Should we multiply velocity x by direction?
No.
Okay. Nice. Now you should pass max with here too.
Yes, actually. Now it's look ridiculous because now we have direction somewhere.
What is direction now? Because I believe that our velocity is our direction. We should have velocity and speed.
Direction x integer, and getter would be 1 if x more than 0.
Yeah, but it's not Python, I'm sorry.
How?
If x more greater than 0 and...
Don't you have like ternary operators or something?
I completely agree that we should have ternary operator, but we don't have it. You don't have to put parentheses, however. Something else, something. Yeah, like this. And you know what is funny? It will be compiled to exact equivalent of ternary operator. It's just a longer way to write it. I don't know why.
Oops, -1. Direction don't need. Yeah, I'm trying to understand. Probably you're right that we don't need direction.
What is direction? I mean, our velocity is our direction.
Normalize.
Good. Just explain it to me.
Just let me write some function first.
Okay.
Let's normalize it, and that would be speed divided, and then here it would be x.
Normalized returns vector of length equals 1.
Yeah.
What does it mean? I'm sorry, folks.
It's
linear algebra game.
No, it's actually analytics geometry. But
yeah,
if you have a vector,
yeah,
normalization of that vector would return you the same vector pointing in the same direction, but with length 1.
In length of projection or the length of the whole vector.
What? No.
So okay. So
your vector is always its length times its normalized version, basically.
So
if you just
I got you. So Now we need to get length of a vector itself, right? It's actually you can count it as what? For real?
Well,
What do you want to do? Well, I mean, does it work this way? Like, you just should divide the vector by the speed, and you will get a normalized value.
yeah. How do I online free drawing board? I'm trying to
draw me the thing.
yes. Sketchpad.
Nice.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh.
Something private.
Wow.
How
Okay.
do I...
It's nice that I can read your writing, because it's definitely something in J, something in J, something.
No, it's just I was explaining something to
Of course,
someone.
of course.
So you have a vector,
Yeah, I do.
and this vector has length, which is like this duration.
Okay, let's say it's 3. Okay, 4.
Length. Yeah, let's say it's 4. And then this is a
normalized vector.
Normalized vector.
Okay.
Which has a length of 1.
Yes.
And if you want to calculate the length of the vector, you basically
use Pythagorean theorem.
Yeah, calculate y squared.
Okay,
x squared.
and that's what we call speed. Now I see.
Yes, and if we divide this vector
by its length, we will get the 1 by definition.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you need to divide it in both directions. So maybe
sure.
This.
So we should create a new velocity. You should just return velocity, like this. Return. Keyword is return. Yeah. Now you should hit Alt Enter. Change return type. Yes. That's all. That's how it should work.
Okay. But actually, now what?
Actually, Razor states the correct thing. We need an operation of dividing a vector by a number. We can define it if we want.
Pretty sure it must be in KorGE already. We're just doing something wrong.
We don't use any vectors. I believe KorGE should even have some library for vectors, right?
Should. Yeah. But it's more fun this way because we do all the errors and then enjoy the results.
Okay.
Right. So
I actually don't see anything vector related. Oh no, they have vector path, but I believe it's not what we're interested in.
No, it's not the same. So yeah, okay. So this is a direction. Direction is velocity direction. Oops. Normalize. Why it's under. What's wrong?
What's wrong? What does it say?
Type is much.
Yeah, because your direction should be int. But vector normalize returns a new vector. Oh. Ta-da!
Easy.
But now you don't have any direction.
Yeah.
Now we should define decrementing directions and so on. But maybe we shouldn't, right? Because we actually should just modify x. Oh man, now it's so complicated. What is direction now? Is it normalized? Yeah, it's normalized velocity.
Direction x.
But we shouldn't decrement something from
wait,
direction.
Yeah, wait. Why? No, wait. This is silly. We say that x equals velocity x.
Yes.
Y equals velocity y. We don't need these directions.
I don't know.
We don't. And we just need to be smart somewhere else. which is the hard part. Let's remove the color change because this is annoying and this is distracting, and we will get it back.
Oh no.
And we don't want to have it here. I will just keep it one.
Okay,
well,
one
I mean, come on, we have a Git for this. Exactly. So
Right.
max width needs to come here. Max height, max width is also double. I'm getting it here, max width,
Yes.
and then here in when I call it.
You can press F2. F2 and navigate to the closer. Yeah.
Width. Okay. Interesting that I don't add add mouse here. Okay. No, never mind. It's not true or false.
Yeah.
I don't register from our side that, but that doesn't matter.
Totally.
Oh, there's a spoiler from Razer.
Yeah, but it's hard to open actually.
Well, you can retype it.
No, because it's crazy.
Yes, on collision we shall change velocity, and that should be it. On collision we change velocity here, that we say that velo x equals minus velo x. What?
No,
to me?
I'm not speaking to you.
Okay, and here velo y equals minus.
And I can't copy it from
velo
chat
y.
on Twitch.
And this is also needs to be. This
I
needs
know,
to happen something here, but I don't want to know yet. So let's just see what's going on. Dun, dun, dun. Well, they do something.
They sang.
Yeah.
They sing.
This is this part.
Why did it sing actually?
Because it does not change velocity when it gets to the border.
Game dev is hard.
No, it's not. I'm dumb. Okay.
They are not related things.
Why it's not?
Oh, nice. You're going too slow. Or every, I don't know, millisecond.
Because direction needs to.
Razer says that you don't need direction.
Yeah.
On collision with wall, we should change velocity.
That's what we do. That's what I try to do.
Actually, on collision with any wall, you should change all velocities, and both x and y, right?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No, because when I go like this and then it's changing, I only change the x velocity. My y velocity stays the same.
Oh, you're right. You're right. X velocity changes.
Why it's not detecting the position here? X more than radius.
Let's put a breakpoint inside if, and we'll check.
Wait, actually, it works for x. It just don't work for y, right? It bounces from the walls. Yeah, it bounces from the walls, but not from the bottoms.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a problem.
Here. Max height.
Print ln.
Wait. We are not going up, we are going down, right? We will hit another branch. Why does it print our you're going too slow every fucking millisecond?
Roughly every 15 milliseconds.
Okay.
It's, every once. Yeah.
Now we need to change speed logic. Now we need to fix vertical bounce issue. So did you move now to the what?
Oh,
I see.
This is completely me being distracted by something that we should not touch at this point, but I will.
I lost the track of your thought again. What are you
Yeah,
doing?
sorry. I don't want to. When I change the speed, I don't need. The problem was that I was changing only y and not x, so I
Okay.
need to do that as well. And I
Okay.
also want to drop the value x and value y.
You
Is
lost
there
the dollar sign?
a normal way to construct? For example, I want to have like a string.
You can create pair with two function. Do you remember we used it? Like value x to value y. It will create a pair for you. It will create tuple.
Okay, let's forget about it for a
Okay.
moment. I will.
I think
later.
you need this println a little bit higher.
You said I can have the breakpoint here.
Yeah, just click on in the gutter. Like you click here. Yeah, but yeah.
Can I do it on condition like only when y less?
Yes, but I think you need to put the breakpoint. Yeah, you can do it this way too, actually. Yeah, like this.
Okay, now what?
Now you just run it with a Shift F9, which is debug, and it's the bug icon there.
But I don't want bugs. I want to debug.
Yeah, but you need to find the bug to debug.
Now we need change speed logic. That's a suggestion.
Yeah, and
Is
there
it
are a lot more. No, val y is.
val y less than?
Oh, why does it work? You didn't change anything.
Nothing.
But now we hit the breakpoint.
Yeah.
You can hit Control F2 or something. So it's like.
Was it
self-healed?
running the old version of something?
No, I don't think so. It didn't happen once for 3 streams. So it was actually something. You changed something, right? And it somehow fixed things. Could you create a new particle? Just hit the center.
No, it will be just. Yeah.
Weather is so boring.
Because they're not randomized.
Why?
I think what happened is that this one updater here had to do this val speed, and I just had it like that, and then I had it val y.
Ah, I see.
Let's just test that it will do the same thing again. Yeah.
Yeah, they sank.
So I think that's the case. So actually, me being distracted by this helped us. Cool.
Yeah, it's how things work, I believe. You just start.
Now I want to have the random here, random.
Random.
Right? So every time I press space. Crazy
Oops.
boy.
Ah, it actually works.
Yeah.
Man, your computer is fast.
I like the boy in the bottom. It's just like, I'm having fun.
Why doesn't it go up?
I think it has a very. I think it might have 0 y.
Print it. We can try to print. Yeah, there is one with velocity y minus 1. I can see it.
Yeah, but this one it should go very slowly in. Maybe it's this one. Yeah.
Yeah, velocity is x is 5. It is kind of fast.
So yeah, it was the either this one or this one. So
What did you do?
I
You
just
speed up- speed up
removed
it?
to
Ah, I see. Wait, now when you speed up things,
Nothing
was why nothing happens?
I don't know, but actually, wait, it now starts to look very weird
Why?
because look at the way it changes direction.
Looks good to me.
Now you see that
No.
you see that some of them. Yeah,
Let's remove some of them, and
Just-
you illustrate your issue.
so when I change direction,
Oh, of course, because now when you speed up,
I change the vector, right?
yeah,
So
you
I
change the
can
whole vector.
technically control.
That's funny.
Can we actually attach the joystick to this? I guess
I'm not sure. Let's try. You have
we'll need to.
gamepad right here. You can try to put it in your laptop.
No, wait. Let's put it for the
Okay.
next.
Okay.
I wonder how joystick would work with the
KorGE.
JavaScript version. Would that work as well?
But wait, yeah,
Okay, so
lots of interesting versions.
agree, completely agree. This one will be random here, and it just for the starter. I want that to be silly,
So,
and I want to have like 20 balls.
are we still
collisions.
going collisions? Yeah. Oh, okay. It was slow actually.
It was because I had it rescaling. So
I see.
what's slow now is my window manager trying to be
Smart.
I don't know,
Yeah.
trying to scale it somehow to unnatural resolution. I mean, I don't really. Should we change this the way it handles the addition of speed or something, or should we just?
I'm
don't
actually
care?
not sure. I mean, eventually yes, but now it looks fine. It looks fun.
Yeah.
Now you're going to check at which ball Kotlin will start to be slow, right?
Yeah. Let's actually do maybe 3 or 5. Wait, 5. And see that. Okay.
It works.
Yeah. It's just now that they stopped changing colors
Yes,
because we removed it.
because you removed this part. And
We
it was,
see now when when we do something bad, it's we. when we do something nice, it's just me. Okay?
Sure. Do you know you have all the diffs right here? You can click on this blue bar and copy part of code from there. But I don't know which part. Maybe this part. Yeah. You can select right inside this dialog.
Change taking places.
You're not
Rollback
going to-
lines. Rollback lines.
Do you want to roll back lines? I
This
think-
particular lines, no?
But no, you need just these 4 lines. You don't need this Y and direction part, right?
Okay.
So yeah, now you can put it in every branch. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay. I have a joke about Pornhub here.
What?
What are you doing? Nothing.
Need
Pornhub, the biggest archive of
change
nothing.
color. False.
It should be a var oval, or I don't know. It's not your Python anymore, Ellie.
I still have like what? Change to, then change to, change to. If change,
Yeah, you still need this parenthesis.
seriously, like this,
Yes.
even if it's just one.
Yes. It's just a strict grammar. That's fine.
terrible.
No, it's beautiful. It's not your Python. It's how things should work.
Too many callbacks to handle this.
I don't know what does it mean, and I actually don't care. Collisions. Do we have time for collisions? I mean, it's 12:46 here.
Let's try see.
Let's commit this part first.
Okay. Yeah.
And let it deploy on GitHub. You could just commit everything, right?
I want to check what I'm uncommitted.
But yes, you can type git commit minus v.
I don't like this too much. Sometimes I just want to drop one particular blob and that's it.
Yeah, but not in this case, man.
Habits are there for a reason, okay?
Hobbits?
Habits.
Hobbits.
Hobbits are also there for a reason, as well as Tom Bombadil.
Tom Bombadil is there always for a reason.
Yeah. Okay.
Nobody understood this joke. Nobody, literally from 2 years, nobody understood this joke.
Okay. So I still don't like this. I think we could rewrite it better, but whatever. Collisions.
Yeah, I think we should Google a bit. Like Google in the documentation, right? Collision.
What I think, while you Google that, I will just say what probably we need to do. We need to attach something particular to the to each particle, which would be like a collisionable body, and then we will define a callback on collision detection. Something like that would probably.
I am reading documentation right now.
And it's just like that. Yeah.
No, not completely. And I'm surprised in a good way. Look, I have linked it to your Telegram.
Just a second. While I actually tried to open what Razor showed us.
I have tried to extract the thing from.
I just want to compare how stuff that we did is different or not.
Probably. It's like he knows better. Yeah, viewers always know better.
Always know better. Yeah. It's terrible. Terrible. Your singing is also terrible.
Of course, because it should be terrible.
Vector 2D.
Oh, I mean, he just defined.
Yeah, that's a good way to do it.
Yes.
Put it a star and then to look at it later. Maybe we will consider vector 2D. I will actually no. Use this gist. Okay.
Okay, so you can open link I sent you in Telegram.
How
you don't have Telegram launched?
I do.
But
I will need to know where to open that.
It's a little bit small. Yeah. Do you see it? The view itself has collides with. It's a bad way to do what we want to do because it will have quadratic complexity on each tick, but it has on collision thing.
On collision.
Yeah.
Filter.
Filter. Do you know why do you need filter? You need filter because your circle will always collide with your main stage.
Okay.
It will go to init block. Like this. Yes. You should put it in curly braces, the filter itself. Filter equals curly braces, yeah. Now we should compare something. What do we have there? I believe we have it inside this lambda, right? No. Inside this lambda with circle. I think here we have it defined. Could you please just copy the line from documentation?
That's not fun.
Yeah, but typing huge lambdas is not fun too.
It not equals this.
Yes. What? Actually,
Don't collide with itself, folks. Don't do drugs, kids. Don't collide with itself.
and yeah,
It
you
not
need
equals
to.
this, and it not equals sin, right?
I'm not sure, but
Sin container.
probably yes.
And then I say println, ouch.
Wait, it doesn't compile.
Why?
Yeah, it doesn't equal this. It doesn't work. Because this is our gas particle, which is not a view. Circle can collide with itself. But yeah, okay.
Well,
they looks like sometimes they.
ouch.
Oops.
Too many ouch.
Yeah, too many ouches. So SC is not what we need, right? We need to find C. Maybe we need to use sin itself. Yeah, like this. Still too many ouches. Let's type what's in there. What are we colliding with? How do we do it?
Why? Okay.
Shift. Yeah.
No, shift
F9. And we are there immediately. Look, it is stage. You won't see anything because we are already in breakpoint immediately. This is circle.
It is stage. This is circle. Okay, this is circle. So yeah. This is not. This is
circle, and that's fine because we are circle. We are colliding with something, and it is stage. So how do we access the stage itself?
Scene stage, something like that.
Yeah, probably.
How do I stop this? Okay. This C.
Nice. Let's try. No ouches. Oh, and lots of ouches again. It still collides with something. Debugging is fun.
Yeah, I'm having so much fun.
I'm having fun.
This view, it view, and yeah.
Oops. And now it's graphics. Wow, man.
This is wrong.
Yeah, totally.
Can we filter it another way? That's we say that we want to collide only with other circles. So here, if it equals
instance of. Yeah, right. Yeah, it no. Instance of is infix operator. It instance of. No, not. It's not Java anymore. It space is circle. Yes. You removed. Yeah. And brute forced it. Nice. Should run. No ouches. Fine.
Because it doesn't collide with those other circles. It will take a while since they collide.
Yeah.
Ouch. Yeah, that was ouch.
Several. Oh, by the way, they both reacted, and that's fine because they both collided.
Yeah.
That's actually nice. You don't need to add any bounding box or something. Something is wrong with valid. Do you see it? And I know why.
Yeah.
Because
Why?
because you need this, not it. And if when you need this, you cannot type. You don't need to type it. I think.
But I want them both to change. No.
No,
I
you
can-
want for each to change,
Yeah. Okay.
but it doesn't have velocities. Oh yeah, because this is the Q.
No.
Oh no, it's fine.
It's fine.
Okay, cool.
Should be fine. I think the scope is supposed to work like this.
Oh, I see. Because velocities are.
Yeah. You see what's going on about?
Yes, they're hitting each other.
Yeah.
But I can't understand if they're
doing it right.
They're doing it right.
Yeah.
Nice.
I mean, there is some issue when it.
Oh, it's stuck.
This one is stuck. Yeah, but
let's add multiple. It should go crazy.
I mean, those two couples.
Oops.
Yeah.
They were stuck in the middle of the field.
I like it.
Why does it happen?
I think what happens is that the detection is, again, similar as it was with when they overlap and then the collision gets detected, but then they move out not fast enough. So it's
being detected again.
Yeah, and then they get stuck until some of them.
It's an interesting question about how does it detect the collision. Is it?
Probably just overlap of the boundary box.
Yeah, every tick, right?
Every I don't know. Yeah.
If it's every tick, then I mean, it's not trying to analytically solve. It will if two particles will have a collision.
You see, when I try to move slower, what would happen if they will move it?
We are almost out of time.
Yeah. Let's finish here.
Let's finish here for today.
I'm super impressed how easy it was to add collisions, which is nice. And I want to.
Syntax is a little bit obscure. You need to understand what do you want to filter.
Yeah, I mean, I want to collide with other circles, and ideally, I would actually want it to be like scaled in some particular way that it radius.
Now I think that actually speed should depend on radius of your particle.
Yeah. How do I get the radius? Circle radius.
I don't know.
Circle radius, it radius divided. Something like should be smarter than this.
Yeah, and it doesn't compile obviously.
Why?
Because it is what?
Circle.
No.
Why not?
Because currently it's view. We don't know. I mean, you should type check. Let's not do it today. I mean, let's just do it next time.
Whoops.
Did you commit the thing?
No, not yet. I want to add a to-do that I want to account for the size difference when colliding.
Razor writes that collision is incorrect.
Correct. Okay.
Why? Why is it incorrect?
While he writes that, I will just commit everything.
Yes, and maybe we will even have some time to see it on JavaScript.
Add collisions. POC. Let's put it this way.
Yeah, I like it. What's interesting, I think we really need not collision itself. We need the moment when bounds touch each other, bounds of circles. And I'm not sure if it's that easy. Razor says that we should check angle of velocity. Why? I think that if we have detected that we collided with something, that
No,
we
he's right. He's right because,
why?
for example, assume that we both go like this,
Yes,
and then we touch,
yes.
and what's going on now that everything flips. So this guy will go
Oh,
there,
I see.
and this will here.
So it's like super
while
primitive.
ideally they should go in the same direction. But so yeah, this is. But again, we were just adding some proof of concept that this we can detect collision. We know that we did collision with other circles, and I like this result. But we definitely need to improve on that and make it more realistic.
Okay. For me, this physics things is complex. I need lots of visualization to understand that something is going
we
wrong.
need to start thinking that maybe we need a whiteboard or something to draw some things.
Maybe.
Yeah. Or just a what's it called? A tablet.
Tablet. I actually have a tablet.
And you were silent all this
Do
time.
not break the thing.
Okay, I will not. No breaking things. I already broke all the things I could, or tried to break them in the.
We are somewhere next to deploying JavaScript part, right?
Yeah. And I want to view deployment here.
Do you think it's already deployed?
No, it's an old one.
Look at the ball on the bottom. It's just crazy.
It's having fun. You can see
Yeah,
it.
totally. Like maybe psilocybin kind of fun.
Not all fun. Don't do drugs, kids.
Do drugs balls?
Yeah.
Wait, again?
Let's save him from this misery. Ta-da! I think
it wasn't misery. Maybe he was happy.
Yeah, maybe.
I like that he's already a man. Like
green.
We still don't have collisions here, so it's not deployed yet.
Yeah, but I haven't.
Don't have.
It's still building, so.
Of course, the code became much harder. Of course, what we added to lambdas, I think.
Yes. There was also something about actions that the action that we use is not correct one, right?
Too many callbacks.
No, this one here was deploy.js. Like you said, it needs to do some caching.
No, I was corrected that in new version it caches all the things itself. Maybe we should update Java, but we can do it. We definitely can do it any other time.
You mean that this Java version is bad?
Yes, it's very old.
Very old.
Ancient. We should probably change it to 17 or something.
Oh, okay, good. But yeah, maybe then something else will break.
It should not.
And still not. I'm not sure why it needs to be. Why? Yeah, okay. This one built.
We can open the log to see what's going on.
Yes, we can.
But we won't. I see.
Upload artifact, build with Jekyll, report, deploy. Pew 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 pew.
It's beautiful, man. I still love it.
Is there a plugin for IDEA where I can see the
so.
actions or something like that?
I don't think so.
Why not?
Maybe it's worth writing, but who will? I mean, JetBrains has its own SimCity, you know.
Ah, okay. That's why. Let's see if they are colliding. Yeah.
Kinda.
They are making it very silly. And
they make... They do it in a smart way. Much smarter than yesterday, you know.
Yeah.
But in JavaScript, somehow, it feels much worse.
Yeah. Are you sure you can look at this?
I'm not sure, but
Okay,
I will continue.
good. Yeah.
Anyways, folks, thank you very much for your attention. It was fun. Hopefully, see you next Friday. And as my friend says, if you like the video, subscribe and all the things.
Yes.
See you.
Bye.
By the way, we have outro. We didn't use it a single time.
Whoa.
And we still don't have our own design. It's 11th.
I think we talk over.
They don't hear anything.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'm not.